Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that's been debated by chefs, home cooks, and food lovers for as long as anyone can remember. It's a simple question with a very complicated answer: what is the tastiest fish to eat? Now, taste is incredibly personal, so there's no single right answer, but we can talk about a few contenders that are consistently celebrated for their incredible flavor and texture. One of the top contenders for the title of tastiest fish is undeniably salmon. It's a global favorite for a reason. What makes it so delicious is its unique combination of rich, buttery flavor and firm, flaky texture. That signature taste comes from the high content of healthy fats, particularly omega-3s, which not only make it good for you but also give it a wonderfully moist mouthfeel. Salmon can be cooked in so many ways: grilled, baked, pan-seared, or even eaten raw as sushi, and it holds its flavor beautifully. Whether it's the rich, melt-in-your-mouth king salmon or the slightly more delicate sockeye, salmon is a crowd pleaser that rarely disappoints. But if you're looking for a fish with a milder flavor and a more delicate texture, you have to consider cod. This white, flaky fish has a clean, mild taste that makes it incredibly versatile. It's a favorite in dishes like classic fish and chips because it holds up well to frying, but it's also fantastic baked or poached. Because its flavor isn't overpowering, it's a perfect canvas for different sauces and seasonings. It's the kind of fish that even people who don't like fish often enjoy, and that's a testament to its deliciousness. And for those who prefer a more luxurious, fatty fish, the winner might just be Chilean sea bass, also known as Patagonian toothfish. This fish is famous for its almost unbelievable buttery flavor and smooth, tender texture. When cooked properly, it practically melts in your mouth, and its rich flavor stands on its own with very little seasoning needed. It's a high-end choice that's often found on fine dining menus, and once you try it, you'll understand why it commands such a high price. So, while we can't crown a single winner, the tastiest fish truly depends on your preference. Do you love a rich, fatty flavor? Go for salmon. Prefer something delicate and flaky? Cod is your best bet. And if you're celebrating and want a truly luxurious, melt-in-your-mouth experience, then Chilean sea bass is a must-try. The world of fish is full of amazing flavors, and the best way to find your favorite is to try them all.